Hi everybody, this is Thomas. Today I was going to do a butter chicken with Basmati rice. That's hard for a southern man to say. I've heard really good things about this meal and I wanted to give it a shout and try it and let you know how all it works out. It's got 270 calories, total fat 6 grams, saturated fat 3 grams, trans fat is 0, sodium's 450 milligrams. That's not too bad for a frozen meal. And carbs are 33, and you get 2 grams of fiber. Protein, 21 grams. It's a good source of protein. The cooking instructions on this puppy are puncture film with fork to allow steam to escape, cook on defrost cycle medium power for 5 minutes, continue heating on high for 4 minutes until heated thoroughly, and of course carefully remove hot tray, let product stand 1 to 2 minutes, remove film, stir gently, and serve. So if we can figure out how to get our microwave onto defrost, we'll be good. Nah, I'm just kidding. That's easy. So here's what it looks like frozen. This side is the chicken, and that side is the rice, obviously, because they're going to give you way more rice than they are chicken. But it looks like there's quite a bit of chicken in there. We'll know more after it's cooked. So I'm going to get started with the microwave and be back and show you what it looks like cooked. Alright, we just finished cooking it and it's sat for roughly about 2 minutes. So we're going to take a look and see what it looks like. Ooh, man, that smells awful good. The plastic don't want to come off. That's alright. I can work around that. Alright, so the rice is really fluffy. It's not clumpy or anything. It's really nice rice for a frozen meal. And wow. There's some big, look at all that meat they give you. Look at all that. There's a ton of it. Kind of mix up the sauce some. I'm scared. It's pretty hot. Oh my God. That is good. The chicken is very tender and still moist. It's not that old nasty dried up microwave chicken. This is really good. The sauce is spicy, but yet warm and inviting. It's really good. Let's try the rice. Oh my God. Trader Joe's, you did it right. This rice, you know how sometimes when you get a TV dinner and you cook your rice and it's crispy? Oh, this isn't crispy. This is very fluffy. Really good rice. Let's try a piece together with the rice, because it kind of shows it on the rice on the box. So I'm thinking that's what you're supposed to do. Oh yeah, that's what you're supposed to do. The flavors combined really bring out the flavor of the rice. And enhances the flavor of the sauce. I mean, look how fluffy that rice is. Look, it's amazing. This is really good. And Coca-Cola from Mexico. Can't go wrong with this stuff. Oh yeah, that's good. All right, well, Trader Joe's, aside from the plastic not wanting to come off properly, which is probably my fault, this rocks. This is good. I've had a lot of frozen dinners in my time, and this one is the best one I've ever had. So good job. 2 thumbs up to Trader Joe's for their butter chicken with basmati rice. I probably mutilated that, but you get my point. You can read it on the box. All right, y'all give me a thumbs up on this. Subscribe. Hit the comment button. Give me a comment if you've ever had this before. If you haven't, what frozen dinner you do like from Trader Joe's. Hit the bell notification so you know when my videos come out, which is Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And I usually have something somewhere along the week that is an extra one. So until then, like I said, subscribe and comment, and I will comment back and buy this TV dinner, or frozen dinner. I guess they don't call them TV dinner anymore. I showed you how old I am. So until then, see you in my next episode.